So on this video, we are going to do a network. Not do a network topology, but we were going to discuss topologies. So what is a topology? On this networking subject, topology. It is very important. So we are able to know what is the design of our um our network, and also we are able to know what are the intermediary devices that we are going to use, and also the places that resembles the lands of the topology. So let's let's compare physical and logical topology. So what is a physical and logical topology? Physical topology, it is more on the actual actual routers, devices that are on a specific place that that connects to a network, that has a network. For example, on my home, I have a LAN network here, and it's composed of one router, one switch, and two computer, and one what do you call it, printer. And the other LAN network is the the central server, which composed of server and bunch of routers and devices, and other server that contains also a lot of routers and switches and also devices. So that is the physical topologies. The physical topology is more on what we can see and what we can touch, and while on logical topology, it's more on the for example, like this. Wait, we'll try to find the logical topology. It's too it's my internet was too slow, so I will try to discuss the logical topology. So logical topology, it's more on the it's like it is on a screen. Then all of the LAN LAN connection is in the same area, but it's like, for example, there's a ISP cloud on the middle. ISP cloud. Wait, let's try to draw it on pink. Mhm. So, for example, this is the. Oh, oops. Sorry. For example, this is the internet. Then, so so this will this will be our first LAN. Then this will be the second LAN. Then, um, then this will be our third LAN. So on every LAN, we have a router. We have a router here. Then this is the device. The device, like that. Then, so I'm just trying to make an example here. So the device is connected to the router. Okay, you can see they are connected to a router, and the router is will be going to be connected to the internet, so that but all of them are connected to each other because of the internet. And on every LAN, every device on a LAN is connected to each other. Then that's how a logical topology works. So the the physical topology, I will try to draw it. So for example, this is a house. So this is a house, and this is a building, and also this is a building. and those buildings are connected to each other through what we can see on the logical logical topology. So for example, this is the internet cloud. So all of the building is connected to has a connection to that. So enough for that. So topologies can be either one topologies or LAN topologies. So what is a one topologies? One topologies can be wait, let's wait it's load. Okay. So enough for that waiting. So, so one topologies has point to point topology, um hub hub topology, which and mesh topology. So point to point is it's like there's a what do you call it? There's a device and it's connected to there's a router and connected to another router. So we can say that it is a point to point one topology because we can use a serial cable to connect the two router to each other. Then the hub and spoke topology, um, as the term hub, the devices is connected to a one intermediary devices or internet. And mesh topology is kind of magulo because all of the devices are connected to each other. That's the simplest explanation for that. So the LAN topology. LAN topology is either it's a star, which is all of the devices are connected to each other, and a bus, which is the devices are also connected to each other but in different terms. So it's also can be a double star, which is there are two LANs that connected to each other. Then the last is it's like a circuit, and all of the LAN topologies it's used for a small geographical area, and one topologies is for large geographical area. So that's all for this video. I hope you understand something from me, and thank you for watching. Peace.